Number 5. Number 5, this is Erin Marie, and she is from South Florida. Her occupation, she is a pharmaceutical rep, and she stands 5'6" tall. Her measurements are 34 triple D and curvy. And she's got blonde hair and baby blue eyes. From South Florida, number 5 tonight, that is Erin. Contestant number 1. Come on out here, this is Alex, and she's from Tampa, Florida. Her occupation, she's a bartender, Twin Peaks, stands tall, 5'10". Her measurements 34, 25, 34, with strength to go all the way up. With bombshell blonde hair and blue eyes. Something special about herself. She said, I won the national championship in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. That's right, she'll kick your fucking ass. That's number 1. From Tampa. Her occupation. She's got mermaid red hair, and this is Lainey. Her occupation, she said whatever it takes. And her height's 5'4", and her measurements. Her measurements, she said, who gives a fuck when you're this hot? With brown hair, and her eye color is green with envy. She said, if you want to know something special about her, you gotta come find out for yourself. She is a pharmaceutical rep, and she stands 5'6" tall. And her measurement was 34 triple D and curvy. And she's got blonde hair and baby blue eyes. And something special about herself, she said she's probably faster than you. That is number 5.
Welcome to the Legends Ride 2022. Make sure you like and subscribe.
We're the International Bikini Team. Like us on Instagram and Facebook, and come check us out at Sturgis Buffalo Chip.
See you soon.
Measurements. She said she's got curves like a Coke bottle. She's got deep brown hair and hazel-colored eyes. And that is number 3, Kelsey from California. Number 4 tonight. She's got black hair and green eyes. She's from New York City, and number 4 tonight, that is Brooke Lauren. Contestant number 5 is from Rapid City, South Dakota. This is Lainey. Her occupation, she said, whatever it takes. And she stands 5'4" tall. And her measurements, she said, who gives a fuck when you're this hot? She's got brown hair and her eye color is green with envy. That is number 5 from Rapid City, South Dakota. That is Lainey. Number 6. This is Florida. This is Kimberly. Her occupation, she is a full-time tease. And her height, she said size doesn't matter. Her measurements are large and in charge. And she's got blonde hair and blue eyes. From Jacksonville, Florida, number 9, that is Kimberly. 4. Her measurements are 39, 26, 39. With dirty blonde hair and baby blue eyes. From West Virginia, number 10, is Gabriella. Here's the 10 contestants tonight for the solo chip pageant. Ladies, turn around and face the other direction, please. We have 2 more rounds of competition. back with round number 2 in the Miss Buffalo Chip pageant. Right after Aaron Lewis plays, you'll hear this. Aaron Lewis for president! Here comes contestant number 1. This is Raven from the Black Hills of South Dakota. Her occupation, she's your next sugar baby. She stands 5'8". Her measurements are about a mouthful. She's got blonde hair and big brown eyes. And something special about her. She said, I can out-smoke you. And she sure as shit can. That's number 1 from South Dakota. That's Raven. They're on her dirt bike and the Buffalo Chip. And that's number 3 from Los Angeles, California. That is Kelsey. Number 4. This is Brooke Lauren and she's from New York City. She's a cowgirl and she stands 5'6". Her measurements, she said that natural bounce. She's got black hair and green eyes. And something special. She said, I ride and you drive. That's number 4 from New York City. She is always down to ride. That's number 8 from Hershey, PA. That's Amanda. Number 9 tonight from Jacksonville, Florida. This is Kimberly. She is a full-time tease. In her height, she said, well, size does not matter. Her measurement spots and stands 5'3" in her measurements. She said, I'm a whole lot of woman with brown hair and brown eyes. In 3 words about herself, she's a damn good time. That is number 7 from Baltimore, Maryland, Mary Ann. Number 8 from Hershey, Pennsylvania. This is Amanda Catley. She's a hairstylist and a bartender and stands 5'7". Her measurements are all the right ones. And she's got dirty blonde hair and brown eyes. And 3 words to describe herself: hardworking, genuine, and lovable. That is number 8 from Hershey, Pennsylvania. That's Amanda. Number 9 is from Jacksonville, Florida. This is Kimberly. She is a full-time tease. In her height, she said size does not matter. And her measurements are large in charge. With blonde hair and blue eyes. And 3 words about Kimberly: sassy, classy, and assy. That's number 9 from Jacksonville, Florida, Kimberly. And our final contestant, number 10, from West Bygod, Virginia, that is Gabriella Lynn. She is a pediatric dental assistant and stands 5'4" tall. And her measurements are 39, 26, 39. With dirty blonde hair and baby blue eyes. And I asked Gabby to give me 3 words to describe her to everybody out here tonight. And she said, yes, they're real. That is number 10 from West Virginia. That's Gabriella. All right, judges, I need you to make your final decision, please. And ladies, turn around and face the other direction. All right, everybody, there are 10 contestants for the Miss Buffalo Chip contest tonight. The top 3 will split $500 in cash in advance of the finals on Saturday, August the 13th. And ladies, turn around and face the audience again, please.
Where are you from?
Gabriella from Berkeley Springs, West Bygod, Virginia.
Gabriella from West Springs, Virginia. Gabriella, tell me something, including a motorcycle. What is your idea of a kick-ass first date, Gabriella?
Well, I would be driving, obviously, but first kick-ass date would be going to the shooting range and proving that I'm a better shot than him.
She's a straight shooter. She's a straight shooter.
All right, it's time to announce the top 3 for tonight and who will advance to the finals on August 13th. In 3rd place is contestant number 10. That is Gabriella from West Virginia. In 2nd place tonight is contestant number 4. That is Brooke from New York City. And the big winner tonight, congratulations to contestant number 8. That is Amanda from Hershey, Pennsylvania. All right, everybody, we'll be out here tomorrow night on the main stage and washing bikes at the Crossroads from 9 to 5 tomorrow. We'll also be up in Deadwood at the Silverado Franklin Hotel and Casino tomorrow from 1 to 4, so you can see us in a lot of different places. And the party's just getting started because this is the best party anywhere, so it goes all night long. We're headed over there to Club Chip or Micro Brew, whatever you'd like to call it. Bikini Beach will be after that. Man, that's a wild effing place. Y'all see that shit? Crazy shit going down at Bikini Beach every night. We'll see y'all everywhere, wherever you want to be. We're going to be out and partying because that's what we do here at the best party anywhere at the Sturgis Buffalo Chip.